Hey guys, so I just got home from a very long work day, but I was like so happy to find this box sitting on my doorstep. Oh, this way. So I got my Allure Beauty box for the month of May, I believe. We're just gonna open it up and see what's inside. I am like super excited because the last one was very good. If you saw my video, you know. I literally just got home, but I figured if I wait to film this video, it might never get done. So let's just go with it. Now we have this brochure right here that says Happy Mother's Day, which lists the products that we get in here and the prices. So, oh my God, I already see Alamis in there, which I do love that brand for skincare. So the first thing I see in here is this $100 wine voucher. Here's the inside of that box. OMG, I am super excited. All of the products that are in here seem like they're full size, which is amazing. And the first item that I picked up here is the Mod Meskai Midnight Hand Mask. pH balanced, nourishing, firming, hydrating, revitalizing, anti-aging. This particular one is actually a full size and it retails for $55 for 40 ml. Is it really 40 ml right here? Yeah, this is totally full size. This is 40 ml. And so this product alone is $55. Can't believe that. So already paid for the box. And so technically whatever items are left in there would be just like, you know, bonuses. All right, guys, so starting out strong. The second product in here is the Bloom Effects Tulip Tint Fragrance-Free Lip and Cheek Balm. Does it say what color? It does. It's the Crispa Coral. I really want to try it out on me right now. Let me see what it retails for. $29. Now, my blush is probably completely gone from this morning, so yeah, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna try it out in this video right now because I want to see how it performs. Oopsies, too much. Way too much, but we're gonna work with it. Let me see if I can find my beauty blender. I honestly don't even have a mirror here, so we're just going with it. And if I look funny, I'm just like looking at my camera viewfinder, hoping that that's what's gonna help me not look like a clown. But wow, it actually works very well. I love it. Like, it's so easy to blend. Wow, I actually really like it, you guys. It just gives me that nice glowy effect. I noticed that I tend to gravitate towards products that have a little bit more of a satin finish rather than matte, which in the past I used to not like that. It was like completely opposite. Now, so far so good. The first two products are absolutely amazing and I'm super happy to like get this box. I'm so happy I resubscribed. Okay, then we have the Chris Appleton Plus Color Wow Money Mask for super glossy, expensive looking hair. This one retails for $45, but it's for 215 milliliters. This particular one has 40, I think, or 50 milliliters, but it is a very good like size overall. It's a nice travel size. It's not too small. It's not like a tiny little free sample type of thing. All right, up next, you guys, Alamis Peptide for Eye Recovery Cream. This thing must be expensive because I know Alamis, they are pretty pricey. They're good, but they're pricey. And let me see what they retail for. $50. Of course, I knew that. And cannot wait to use that. I am currently using their other mask that I use like twice a week for hydration. Yeah, I've definitely seen this all over the internet and I've been very curious about it. Okay, up next we have the Tucum, not sure how to pronounce that, the Natura Echoes exfoliating shower gel. I'm gonna use it like right now, literally after I filmed this video. Actually, I'm gonna use this one as well after I film this video. I'm super excited to try that. And that one retails for $18 for 185 milliliters. Now this particular sample has 30 milliliters. All right, guys, one last product in here is the Poets of Berlin perfume. Okay. The Wilhelm perfume, New York. Okay, so it comes in this little tube, like very nice size spray bottle. It's like perfect for traveling again. Oh, wow. Oh, it smells good. Wow. Wow. I don't know. I've never been happy with like every single product in a box before. Like, I don't know. Like, they really are impressing me. Last time I thought I was happy with my box. I am very impressed with today's box, actually. And I cannot wait to get my BoxyCharm and Ipsy to compare them. Now this box retails for $25. They also have like some type of special where if you use my link, I believe you get $5 off, and I believe I get some type of credit as well, $5 off my, I believe, purchase in the store, because they also have this sale going on like once a month in their store where everything is like almost 80% off, like a lot of different brands and stuff. So yeah, I forgot to tell you how much it retails for. $175 for 50 ml. How many ml do we have here? This is 5 milliliters right here. Technically, this particular sample is $17.50, right? Thank you so much for watching. As always, you are the best. I'm so happy that you're coming back to watch my videos despite my inconsistency, but I'm trying, you guys. As you can see, even after work, this is the first time in a long time that I was actually able to get myself to film, and it's not like a forced filming. It was literally me being excited and wanting to do this, which I really, really miss that feeling, and I'm so happy that I'm getting it back. All right, guys, I hope you have the most wonderful rest of your week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.